Hey guys, just working on the air conditioning system on this Bobcat T450. This happens to be a 2018. And it wasn't getting AC, and my clutch wasn't engaging. So the wire for the clutch is right there, the connector that goes to the clutch. And then if you're not getting 12 volts right there, it means something's going on before there. The clutch is not getting power. And then I applied power to the clutch itself, and I could make the clutch click on and off. Anyway, so just this particular case, there's lots of videos on how the system works, but I cleaned everything, I did all the initial stuff, and then I went to this module here. This is basically the only module that controls the AC system in these Bobcat machines, because this is a whole separate unit. It doesn't communicate with the Bobcat computer at all. It's sort of its own system. It's made by a different company. It's sort of like an add-on, but it obviously comes from the factory. Anyway, when this thing's running normally, which it is now, the compressor's on and the AC is running cool, it's, okay, so this thing was blinking. If it's not solid red, it means something, there's a malfunction. So it was blinking once per second, but of course now it's working, but if I hit it, I can actually make it malfunction. Hopefully I can do it here. There, you can see. So I just made the thing malfunction, and now it's blinking red, and I haven't done anything to this, so I'm thinking it's either the thermostat. So what this thing does is it monitors the temperature. Right there, you can see the probe. It monitors the temperature of the AC, and I believe it turns on at like 2, there it goes again, it's working again. So I think it's a little wiring issue in this thing, or I just need to replace this module. So if you're having issues with your AC, this is something you should probably check first, because it's so easy to check. If the light's solid, the AC is on. And I know that it's not just shutting off because the AC is getting too cool or too hot, because I don't even have the fan on, and it's definitely above the threshold that it should be on. So there's no reason it should shut off. I've just got the machine and the key switch in the on position and the AC turned on. You actually just need the blower in the first position. Okay, there you go. There, it clicks on. Now I'm going to hold this still and just move the wires, because I think there's some corrosion. Yeah, right there. So something's going on right there, and when I look in this hole, it's like the wires go in through this clear thing, which I'm going to try and pop off, into like an epoxy that before it goes into the module, and I think it's corroded right there. So it might be difficult to repair, but I'm pretty certain that that is the problem. You could always just get this module, which it comes pre-attached to the thermostat, but I want to see if I can fix it. I just cut it out of the machine here because it's too hard to work. Heating it up. Hopefully get this lens off. Get some alcohol. If there is glue, I don't know if there is or not. Hopefully it softens it. And I determined that it's the wire closest to this side, because I separated them and pushed them in, it worked, and then when I pulled the one, it would stop. You can see they just have some kind of silicone there. I think it's filled with epoxy. At least it's not that hard epoxy, it's more like a silicone. Wire just broke. So it's right there. If I can get that wire reconnected, we might be able to save this thing. I should check how much this thing is. Could be 20 bucks for all I know. I doubt it's that cheap, but I'm not too worried about destroying it because I know I can just get another one, but why waste money? Okay, so I got it uncovered there. It's nice the wire is soldered right at the end. You can see where the wire is soldered. So I've just been picking away the silicone, but there's this frayed wire. I just got to get onto that pad there. I got these little things years ago just to hold little electronics. Came on this board, pretty sweet, but I got a metal bench, so I just put it on that now. Just holds everything steady. Okay, so I just tin the end of these, put a little solder on them, a little bit of rosin flux. Ooh, shaky. Gonna lay off on the coffees. There you go. gonna put a little liquid electrical tape. Okay, so we're good there. I don't know if you guys noticed, but throughout the connection of the thermostat, I kept it plugged in so I could make sure the light stayed on and it's staying on solid. My clutch is engaged, and yeah, we're good to go. So hopefully that helps some people out.